December 20th, 2025. Newburgh Heights, Ohio. What began as a routine patrol quickly turned into something no one expected. A stolen vehicle, refusing to stop. But when officers got closer, they realized the truth was far more disturbing. The suspects weren't adults, they were children, and what they said next raised serious questions. Everything you're about to see was captured on police body cam. This is real footage. Watch carefully. The driver doesn't slow down. The speed keeps climbing. Police clock the vehicle at 80 miles per hour. The driver is 11 years old. The car slams to a stop. Doors fly open. 3 kids burst out, running in every direction. And now, it's another foot chase for the police. Officers give pursuit, weaving through streets, trying to catch the juveniles before they disappear.
I want to chase you! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground right now!
I'm sorry.
I have 2 in a backyard right now.
His name is Clark Del Paz. Screaming.
On the stomach now! On your stomach now!
Please.
Do not look at me! Where's the 3rd one?
He over there.
Stand by. Got 2 pruned out there complying. I'm getting you an address. Stand by. Do not look at me. Get on the ground. Do not look at me.
My mama.
Do not look at me. Stay on the ground. You're in there? Get over here now. Get over here now. Go. Just get on the ground. Stand by. I got all 3 now. Stand by.
I'm gonna do.
3865 West 21st. Don't be reaching.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you come on?
3865 West 21st Street. 3 black juveniles pruned out. They are complying. Everyone, show me your hands. You in the gray, show me your hands. Just lay on the ground. Just lay on the ground.
You got my mom.
3865 West 21st. I have 3.
Please. Please. Please don't hurt us. You call my mom.
We'll call parents in a second. You guys are doing good. Thank you for complying. Once I get all the units here, we'll detain everybody and we'll figure everything out.
Going to jail?
We're not going to jail right now. You're going to be detained, okay? Just keep on complying.
We need some more people that be in.
3865, it's at the middle of an intersection. There's a Jeep in the driveway with a white Kia. There's a white Jeep that just stopped in front of it.
Please help me. No!
Brooklyn Heights, you're right in front of it.
No, please. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. I do want mommy.
Detained.
Please don't hurt me.
Okay, I got it.
Please don't
I don't know.
hurt me.
I have not checked in yet.
Hey, stop talking. Don't reach for anything. Put that down.
Please don't
Put
hurt
down here.
me.
Yeah. Hey, stop. Stop your crying. You should have thought about that before you got in that car.
I'm sorry, sir, please.
Okay, well, stop crying. You see anybody else crying?
No, I just want my mommy.
Stay off your phone for a minute. I don't care. Stay off your phone.
Stay right there. 3 detained. Slow it down. We're in front of 20. We're on West 21st. Go south on 21st from Denison, halfway down. No, you can't call anybody. You can't answer anybody.
Yeah, I got it all in there.
Okay. Do you have any gun? Does anybody have any guns on you?
I don't tell guns.
Do you have any guns on you? What's your name? Take that off.
I got a shot in my head already. I don't tell guns.
You got a gun with you?
We don't tell guns.
Well, I can tell by the way that you drove. You suck at driving. Stand up. Up against the fence. Second. Hey, stop talking. Is anybody else crying? Stand up. You don't tell guns, you just hold on, don't reach for anything. Hey, it's all good. Relax.
This is our first time in the park.
Well, I can tell by the way that you drove. You suck at driving. Stand up. Up against the fence. Second. Just turn. Hey, stop talking. Is anybody else crying?
No, I don't want
Face to the fence.
No, I don't want mommy, bro.
Face to the fence. Your mommy ain't gonna help you now.
I'm gonna laugh.
That was real funny, ain't it?
Man.
Let's go. Real funny, ain't it?
Your mommy ain't gonna help you now.
That was real funny, ain't it? Let's go.
None of them are double locked though, right?
Well, they got tiny wrists anyway. I doubt these are going to stay on them.
How old are you? You're 12 years old. Fucking stealing cars? What the hell's wrong with you?
Who wants 2?
CPD's en route.
You want me to put one in?
Yeah.
One of your other guys will come up.
Yeah.
You check him.
Hey, buddy, come here. I don't know if you guys patted him on or not. You have anything on you? No. You guys have any weapons?
No, you got $1 in this? Is this yours? Is this yours? No. Who did I take this from? This one and this one?
Yeah, you can get your phone. Sit down.
Whose is this one? Okay. Is that yours? Is this your dollar? Yeah, I'll put it back in your pocket, alright?
Little man, how old are you?
11.
Hey, I wasn't too far off when I said 10, huh?
No, not at all. Okay. Alright. Let's do this.
Can I get it back over my phone?
Nope.
The chase is over, but the questions remain. How did this happen, and what happens next? But questions linger. How and why online? 3 kids, 8, 11, and 12, stopped after a stolen Kia crashed, then released to their parents. Police say the 11-year-old driver was charged with grand theft motor vehicle and fleeing and eluding, serious offenses even in juvenile court. The driver admitted he learned how to do it from YouTube, a reminder that actions still have consequences. Police say no one was seriously hurt, but this incident sparked a bigger conversation about responsibility, about influence, and about what children are learning online. This real body cam footage shows more than a police chase. It shows a moment that could have ended very differently. Monitor screens, lock vehicles, teach responsibility early. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for verified footage like for awareness and comment prevention tips.